Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, May the 13th, 2020, we have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic Sudoku. Total of 5 Sudokus in this additional of today's newspaper. We will start with the first Sudoku, a Sudoku with 1 star. Let me drink first one tea. Alright, so we can start with the first one. So let's get started. Let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for a 5 should be here, here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there, only 1 place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then the 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. I see here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And then an 8 in this row and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be here. That means in the last row, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only 1 place left for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 9 and 7. I marked them, 9 and 7. That means 1 box left for this big square for the number 2. 9, 7. How about yeah, 6 should be there. 5, 4, 8. No. 4, 8. 1, 2. The 1 should be here. 2, 8, 5. Alright. How about we have the 5, the 7 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the middle column, only place for the 7 should be here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 9, 8, and 1. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 8 and the 1. We see here and 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes. Well. How about I need more numbers. I need more numbers. 4. Do we have the 2? Yes. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box, so the 2 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In that row, we have a 2 over there. So in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be here. Yes, that means 9, 6. Yes. The middle row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 4, 6, and 9. I see here 6, so no 6 there. Here so a 6, no 6 there. Only 1 place left for the 6 should be here. The 9 and the 4 are left. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7. This should be a 9, and this should be a 7. One box left in this column for the 7. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9. 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 9. How about these two numbers, 4 and the 6? 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. These two numbers. The numbers 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. No. Oh, no, we have a 9 here. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. No. 2 and the 6. Again, not successful. How about 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Suppose here should be also the 2 and the 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. That means here 7. Yes, in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. One box left for the 7 should be here. And then the other 1, 2, 3, no, 3, the 4, and the 9 are missing. 4, 9, and the 6 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers? 7, 1, and the 6 are missing. No, cannot fill this yet. These 2 numbers, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. The 3, I marked them. Easier for later. These 2, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. These 2, 9 and the 6, 9 and the 6, 9 and the 6. 4, 9, 6, 4, 9, 6. Here should be supposed the 9 and a 4. Alright, 4, 6, and the 9. So here 9 or there 9. How about these 2 numbers in this row, the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Yes, we have a 9 here, so these should be the 4 and the 6. These supposed to be in this big square 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. That means the 4 goes there. No, we have a 4 here. 3, 9, and the 6. No, we have a 6. The 3, 9, and the 2. The 2 should be here. Yes, the 2. 2 here, 2 there. Same like here. The 2 here and the 2 there. The 1 should be in this column. The 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be here or there. 1, 2, and the 3 are missing. The 3, 3, 3. We have a 3 here. So the 3 goes there or goes here. So the 2 and the 3, we have a 2 and a 3 here. In this column, 1, 2, and 3 are missing. 2 and a 3 here, so this should be a 1. Here we have the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. 1, 1. That means here 1, there 1. Wow. These two numbers, 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6. This should be a 4, because in this big square we have a 6 here. This cannot be a 6. This should be a 4. This should be a 6. Alright, we have the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 here, so this should be the 9. This should be the 6. We have a 6 there, so this should be a 4. And this should be a 9. Two numbers left, the 7 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 7 goes there. We have a 7 now, so this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7. This should be the 6. We have the 1 and the 9 left. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. This should be the 9, and this should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be the 6. These two numbers, the 2 and the 3. 3 and the 9 in this column. We have a 9 here, so this should be a 3. This should be a 9. We have a 3 here, so this should be the 2 and the 6 are left. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. For a Sudoku, 1 star could be faster. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute for the Sudoku 2 stars. Thank you and bye-bye for now.